Okay, well, this is where I'm starting. I fail. I'm going in that direction. That's where I'm going, that way. And here we are at Ash Lock. So we can read that. The first lock on our journey. And you can see that it's a bit. We'll be passing many locks on our journey, so this is the first one. There we go. Well, there she goes. Oh, she's gone. Oh, nice. Farnborough Airport. You don't see that every day. One of our landmarks along the way. There's not many along the way, but we are here in Fleet. You can see we started here all along. We're now here. We're not that far away to there. We're actually not that far now. There's not many landmarks along the way, but there you go. Pretty good. Good trip so far. Bike over there. I see this car park here. Nice little car park. It seems that you have to pay to park here. Seems that you got to pay to park here. Cheeky bastards. To get anything out of you. Just to park here. It seems. Cheeky bastards. So if you want to come here and just chill out, you still got to pay. Cheeky bastards. Oh dear, I don't know. Here we are. Crookham. You're now here. We were there. Little while to go, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Not too far away. Nice little car park. We have now hit another small landmark. We are here. Little while to go yet, but almost there. We're getting there. We are now here. Didn't take that long. Here we are, another landmark. Well, like I say. We're getting closer. The river is thinning out. We're not that far away now. Pretty good. Really good. We're getting there. Here we are. We found it. Finally made it. Basingstoke Canal. Graywell tunnel. There it is. Start of the Basingstoke Canal. I believe it does go further, but in terms of getting further or continuing, the canal itself this is where it starts. And there we go. Nothing down here. We can go down here. Very, very awkward. Bring it back when I'm down. Here we are. Can't really get much in there. There it is. As far as we can go. Pretty much start of Basingstoke Canal. Well, it's not the start of it, but it's the close we can get. off the start. Really good. Really good. We made it. Start of the Basingstoke Canal. Well, part of it. I believe it is, but there we go. Headed back now. Yep. Piece of information. Tried to take a picture, but it wasn't very good. Yep, really good.